What is going on, guys? My name is Sharif York. I am the founder of Boostu.academy, and in these courses I teach product design and the power of LinkedIn. In this course specifically, I'm teaching the power of LinkedIn, in which I help you find a job as well as gain the attention of recruiters and a ton of other stuff. Now, I am a huge advocate of LinkedIn, and the reason why is because my first job coming out of school was working at AT&T as a product UI UX designer, in which I helped build the My AT&T mobile app. Okay, so I couldn't have done that if I just applied online and that's it. Well, I hounded myself for months on LinkedIn to gain attention, just like using Facebook, right? You do things on Facebook, you talk about your life, you talk about past events, you talk about all these different things. I do the same thing on LinkedIn, but in a professional manner. This is how it gained the attention of a ton of individuals, such as recruiters, other individuals looking to get a job who are asking tons of questions, and also mentors. So in this course, I'm helping you with all the stuff that I've learned. And with that said, you might ask, who are you? So my name is Sharif York. I'm the founder of Boost You, and I'm also a product UI UX designer. Some of my clients include small to medium-sized businesses, as well as my previous client, which was AT&T. And I couldn't have done that without utilizing LinkedIn. And think about it. A lot of the companies have realized going online is the best aspect of doing things. With that being said, you can't just go to events anymore because of, well, guess what? 2020, which was COVID-19, a lot of people went online. So making connections at physical events just made it impossible. So a lot of companies went online, and this is the fastest way to make connections, is being on LinkedIn. Well, guess what? That's what I'm teaching here. So with that being said, I look forward to teaching you the power of LinkedIn, helping you get a job, helping you be the better you by getting into the industry and getting the job that you want. All right? So see you soon.